Hi students, in 7th class, exercise 1.3, first item, find each of the following product. Now what is given the A question? 3 into minus 1. What is the 3 into minus 1? Go to first sign multiplication. Here 3 beside nothing having, so that's why there is plus. Plus into minus, that is minus. Now go to multiplication numerical. 3 into 1, 3. Next, B question. What is given the B question? Minus 1 into 225. That equals to, these also same thing. Go to signs first. Here minus into plus, minus 225 into 1, 225. Next, C question. Minus 21 into minus 30. That equals to, here also go to first signs multiplication. Minus into minus plus, 21 into 30. Here go to, here 0, it's units place, we get 0. 3 into this total, go to multiplication. 21 into 3, 63. So that is plus 630. Next, D question. What is given the D question? See, minus 316 into minus 1. Here also go to first product, negative sign. Okay, both negative signs having. Here see, even times product negative sign is, we get positive. Odd times go to multiplication negative sign, we get minus. So here even times 1, 2, 2 times having. So 2 is the even number. So even times having negative sign. So we get positive. Okay. So 316 into 1, 316. So next, E question. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 80. Simple here. Okay. Here 0 into anything, we get 0. So go to multiplication. 15 into 0 is 0. 0 into 18 is 0. So next, F question. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Observe this question. Okay, how many times negative sign having? Here 1, 2, 2 times having. So 2 times 2 is the even number. So we get positive sign. So go to multiplication now. Okay. Here 12 into 11. 12 into 11. 12 1 ja 12. Go to multiplication. 12 into 1. 12. 1 carrying. 12 into 12. 12 1 13. Into 10. That is 1320. Next, G question. G. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. That equals to, here go to multiplication. These also negative signs 2 times having. Minus into minus plus. Okay. So now go to multiplication, which is easy, that one you go it. Okay. 9 3 is 27. 27 into 6. That equals to 6 7 ja 42. 4 carrying. 6 2 ja 12. 12 4 16. G complete. Now H. H is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. You observe that here negative signs are 3 times having. So minus into minus into minus. That is minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So here go to multiplication. 5 4 ja 20. Okay, 20 into 18. 18 2 ja 36. So 360 we get this one. Okay. Next, I question. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4 plus 4, that is. So negative sign 3 times having. 3 is odd number, so we get minus. Okay. So now 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. 24 1 is 24. Next, I complete. Now J. J is last question. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here negative sign 4 times having. So we get positive sign. 3 6 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. Okay, this is the first item, total questions. Next, second one, verify the following. Verify the following. Verify the following. So first item, what given that 18 into 7 plus minus 3, 7 plus of minus 3, that equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay, this is the given question. So you observe this one, this is distributive property, multiplication over addition. So observe this one, first LHS you take it, simplify, we get what, you check it, RHS also same we get, means LHS equals to RHS. So verification is satisfied. So 18 into 7 plus of minus 3, so that equals to 18 into 7 plus into, here bracket having means multiplication, that one plus into minus minus, so this is 7 minus 3, so that equals to 18 into 7 minus 3 is 4, so 18 4 ja 72. Okay, this is LHS. So now RHS you take it. What having the RHS? 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So now observe that 18 into 7. 18 7 ja. Okay. 126. Okay. Plus into minus, that is minus. 18 3 ja 54. That equals to, go to subtraction, 126 minus 54. 6 4 2 12 5 7, so this is 72. RHS also we get 72. So LHS equal to RHS, both are equal. So verification, that is A question is satisfied. Next, B question. What is the B1C? Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, that equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So same thing here, also go to LHS and RHS. First LHS you take it. Okay, solution. Okay, it's LHS you take it first. LHS minus 21 into here minus 4 plus minus 6, so that equals to here minus 21 into here minus 4, this is minus 6, that equals to minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6, both are same sign, go to addition, so we get minus 10. So go to multiplication, this is minus into minus plus, that is 210. The LHS is 210. What about the RHS? Now RHS, you observe that RHS here minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So go to minus into minus plus, 21 into 4, 84. Okay, here minus into minus plus, this is totally plus. 21 into 6, that is 126. Go to addition, 4 plus 6, 10. 1 carrying, 1 3, 1 2 3, 3 and 8 11, so 210. So here 210, RHS and LHS both are equal, so LHS equal to RHS. Now third item, what given the first one? For any integer, a, what is minus 1 into a is equal to here a is any integer, you can take it here. So here solution C, minus 1 into a, that equals to any integer, you take it here. Minus 1 into a, here minus into here, nothing having here, so plus. Okay, positive sign or a is okay, positive number or negative number or 0, nothing problem that one. Here what getting that is only. Okay, so minus 1 into a, here minus into here plus, directly we go to minus. Here 1 into a is a. Okay, so that solution is minus a. Second one, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. So go to multiplication, each one. Here first question is minus 22 given. Go to product, this one is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 22. Here plus 22. B. 37 given. Go to multiplication, minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 into 37 minus 37. C. Here 0 given. So minus 1 into 0, that equals to 0.